Welcome to your dream home. This beautifully restored 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom colonial-style residence combines classic charm with modern luxury. Step inside to discover stunning luxury vinyl plank flooring that flows seamlessly throughout the entire home, offering both elegance and durability. The heart of the home is a spacious kitchen featuring brand new stainless steel appliances, perfect for culinary enthusiasts and entertaining guests. Enjoy cozy evenings by one of the 2 inviting wood-burning fireplaces, creating a warm atmosphere in both the living and family rooms. Outside, revel in the river views that provide a serene backdrop to your everyday life. The yard offers plenty of space for outdoor gatherings or simply relaxing while enjoying the scenery. This home not only boasts exquisite finishes but also a prime location, providing the perfect balance.